What do we got here? Elegance with attitude. 1968 Dodge Charger. Holy guacamole! Jeez. Where'd you get the motor?
The States.
No, like, oh, you actually bought it? Like, or was it used?
It was Power Performance.
Yeah.
Go around and buy smash up cars at auction, salvage drivetrains.
Can we hear it? Oh, this guy's yours?
Yeah.
Nice.
My son built the car, the model for him.
Oh, wow.
And the other son found me the turntable on Amazon.
Yeah.
So, well, I got to display that at the car shows.
Where'd you pick this thing up?
Well, it came from California. I got it in Mississauga in the early 90s.
Really?
Yeah, somebody brought it up from there and
The good old days.
couldn't keep it for one reason or another.
Yeah.
Going through a divorce, and so we put it back up for sale. I got $5 grand back then.
This was $5 grand?
Well,
Get out of
It
here.
looked like that though.
How much money did you put into it?
About another 100
Yeah?
on top of the 5, yeah.
Yeah. What did you get all done with it?
Yeah, I got done at National Mopars up in Beaverton. They did the full resto for me.
So it's a full resto.
Oh yeah, they went right from, we had it all stripped right down. And we changed a few things, you know, put the disc brakes on the front, put the 440 in it. It was a 383 car originally.
Right. How do you like the 440 compared to the 383?
Well, it was originally just a 2-barrel, see it was a factory air, 2-barrel automatic power brake, power steering car.
Yeah, okay.
That's how it was shipped to California, but so now we got the tweaked up 440. And I got a 3-speed torqueflite with a gear vendor overdrive on it, 323 shore grip in the back.
Nice. Wow.
It's got some oomph, but it'll still cruise nice too.
Yeah. For both the track.
Comfortable with the AC on.
Have you taken it to the track at all?
No, I haven't yet. I keep planning to, but you know, one thing another keeps getting in the way.
100%.
But we're working on it.
How much horsepower do you think you're pulling off of this baby?
Oh, 4.5 easy.
4.5, yeah?
At least, maybe close to 5. I don't know. I'd have to dyno it and get it tweaked a little bit.
Oh, that'd be phenomenal.
So, yeah.
Is that a 4-barrel in there?
Yeah, it's a Holly 750.
750, big boy.
Yeah, and it's been mild polish competition cam.
Yeah.
And it's got ceramic headers going through the Flowmaster mufflers.
Flowmaster mufflers, 3-inch all the way back?
Yeah. So I put the RT, it's not an RT, but I put the RT tips on the end.
Oh, so you up-badged. Just kidding.
They asked me if I wanted to put the stripe and stuff on it, and I said the shape of this car, I think less is more because it's got such nice lines already.
Oh yeah, no, 100%. Was this the original color?
No, it was a metallic brown.
Metallic brown, yeah.
Yeah, but a guy at a body shop showed me this color. He said, "I think your car would look nice like that."
Yeah.
So okay, well let's try it and see. And when it first came out the paint booth and it was all stripped down, I wasn't sure. You know, did I make a right call here? But once we put the chrome and the black vinyl roof on and everything, I think it blends nicely.
Yeah. How long did the whole build take?
Well, I took it I had it painted back in the 90s, not long after I bought it, but the guy didn't do a real good job.
Yeah.
He left a lot of body filler in it and stuff, so after a few winters, sitting in a shelter there, it started to crack in a few places because there was a lot of filler in it.
Right.
So when I took it up to National Mopars, he did a real good job. See, he painted it the same color, but this is a water-based. The original was a Seekins oil-based paint, so he managed to blend in water-based the same, but he still added a bit of flake to it, so it changes color a bit.
Yeah.
And so I took it in 2011. I got it back in 2014, but they didn't work.
3 years. Yeah.
I just told them, do what you can, but if somebody else needs their car in a hurry, go ahead and let them jump the queue. But we'll just take it as it comes.
Do you drive this thing in the wintertime?
Oh no. She's a California girl. She only comes out in the nice weather.
When do you take it out? Is this the first weekend out? Or?
Oh, no. I was at 3 shows last weekend. And
3 shows? We don't even do 3 in a month.
Well,
come on,
well, I went to. I was going to go out on the Saturday night, but it didn't looked a little bit iffy.
Yeah.
So I went for cars and coffee on Stouffville on the Sunday morning. Then I went down to Whitby. There was a show going on at Whitby.
Yeah.
And then on on the Monday night, I went down to the one at the Major Mac and the Canadian Tire there. Got best in show there.
Yeah. Looks like you did the redid the interior, or is that original?
Yeah, we redid all the interior too, but the interior is pretty much the way it should be.
Yeah.
Except I put a tic-toc tack in there because it was just a clock and a speedometer originally with the original car.
Awesome.
But other than that, yeah, we had to put a new console in because when I bought the car, it had a little tiny steering wheel on it like this.
Yeah.
I think it was a gang car down in California.
Oh, probably.
And it had the glass pack mufflers. It had a B&M shifter, and the console was all ripped out.
Oh yeah.
Glass pack mufflers on it, so it sounded really rough and.
You should have kept it that way. It might make it nostalgia, right? Gangster car from the 90s.
No, my inspiration was Bullet when I saw the movie Bullet with Steve McQueen.
Yeah.
Mustang was cool, but when I saw that black Charger come on the screen, that just, well, he was the king of cool anyway.
Yeah.
But when that black Charger came on the screen, the bad guys were driving. I thought, oh, I've got to get one of those.
Awesome.
Then I got to ride in one just after I moved it.
Yeah. Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Oh, I got a cold drink there. Yeah. What exhaust you running?
Black Widow.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, okay.
Hey, Ro, you want to come over here for a second?
Let's hear this baby. That's awesome.
Then I kind of switched direction when I realized how expensive it would be to build a 900 horsepower supercharged.
Yeah.
V8. So
Yeah.
this was actually much cheaper and more drivable.
What's the tranny? Like what's
It's a 6-speed Tremec.
Okay.
Oh, sweet.
Bought it as a package from Cleveland Power and Performance in the States.
Nice. What about the rear end? What's the...
Stock rear end.
Okay.
With 411s. I had to splice a 70 drive shaft with a Hellcat drive shaft.
Yeah.
Connect, but
yeah. How much power are you pushing out of this baby?
45 stock on these engines.
Yeah.
I don't know, with like the little intake and the exhaust is 3-inch up, so just by the rear axle, so I'm hoping that gives it a bit more.
Gotcha. Yeah. How's the drivability? Is like pretty good?
It's tight. It's all it's all custom suspension built by another guy in the States for these cars, so it handles pretty much like a new one.
Yeah. Where'd you get this wrap done?
Guy in town. I think it's either Redline or Adrenaline on one of the sophomore.
Oh yeah.
He ripped it off pretty quick.
That's amazing.
Just because I ran out of money.
Yeah.
At that point, right?
Yeah. Have you taken this to the track at all?
No.
No?
It's not quite there yet.
Yeah.
So I gotta sort out some rear end stuff with it.
Oh yeah, I bet. Yeah.